kid. One of the wonders of washing? Come here. Give me your clothes. Come on, take off your clothes. Take them off. Hey, thanks. Now you get a free hat. Also, can you just take off your skin for me too? Come on, just take off your skin, kid. It's not that hard. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take off your fucking skin, kid. Take it off right now. Take it off right now or else. Don't make me use my washing powers, kid, or else. You don't want to see what happens when I wash your skin off. Alright, I give you one last chance.